Trying to stay focused on my grind, do what I need to do. You know what I mean? My co-host looking for some sneakers right now to get fly. That's one of the stores in Flatbush. If you want to come get your fly on, come to Get Set. It's definitely a good look. And we got a lot of stores in Flatbush. You know what I'm saying? Just come check it out. Come to Flatbush anytime you want. On deck, you know what I'm saying? That's how we supposed to do it. Baby. Staying focused, staying on the grind. Got the little expo on the road, doing it right.
Big bashment up in there yesterday. Big up to Tip Top Flatbush. Definitely doing the bashments. Like going to his events. They usually come out very nice. Putting this on Facebook for my son, so he can see me and get to see more footage of his pops. I love you. You're number one. You're the champ. Stay strong. Go to school. Do your work. Boom. Yes, Miami won. Like I said, I'm a Miami fan, so all y'all Lakers fans, I'm sorry. Miami is winning.
Told y'all.
What up? How you doing? Wildcats Production, we in the building. Peace to the queen. Peace to everybody, y'all. Do my best and express myself.
Plus I love my attitude, parachute go.